Same package, same command. npm 11 runs postinstall, npm 12 blocks it. The package still installs, the code just lost automatic permission. And that is a much bigger npm change than just this tiny warning is showing. npm 12 became the latest release on July 8th. Until now, the dependency could include a pre-install, install, or post-install script, and npm would execute it while adding the package. That includes transitive dependencies, packages you did not choose, buried inside of other packages, and the script can run before you import a single line from it. This behavior has a legitimate use. Native modules may need to compile codes, some tools download a platform-specific binary, but it also meant downloading a library could quietly become a permission to execute arbitrary code, which is a little like ordering a toaster and letting the box run a shell script before you open it. Very normal. npm's own proposal points to supply chain attacks as the reason for changing this. An install hook does not need your app to call it. Installation itself can be the trigger. npm 11 started warning about scripts that had not just been reviewed. Here, I'm using a harmless core.js post install, and there it goes. Prints its support message, and only afterward, npm warns me that the package is not covered by an allow list. So the horse has escaped, but npm has generated a warning about the horse. npm 12 flips that behavior. I installed the exact same core.js version in a clean container, the package is added successfully, but the post install never runs. npm reports that it blocked one install script because I never approved it. This is not an interactive security prompt. npm skips the unapproved script, finishes the install, and lists what it blocked at the end. That means the migration is not just simply update npm and enjoy security. Run npm install script ls to see which dependencies wanted to execute something. Review them, then approve only the packages you trust. I will approve core.js. npm writes an allowScripts entry into package.json pinned to the exact core.js version by default. A future version does not automatically inherit that trust. Now I rebuild it, and the same post install runs. You can explicitly deny a package, and if silently skipping a required build step sounds terrifying for CI, strict allowScripts can make an unreviewed script fail the installation instead. There is also an escape hatch named dangerously allow all scripts. The npm team did not exactly hide the product review in that name. Will this break projects? Some of them, yes. A package can appear to install successfully, then fail later because its setup never ran. So test npm 12 before changing CI. Review the list, and commit the resulting allow list. And this is not just some magical npm force field. Malicious code can still execute when you import it. Your own project scripts still run, and approved dependencies can still become malicious. What changed is narrower, but still important. npm 11 lets a dependency execute first, and then warns you afterward. npm 12 flips that, so now it requires you to authenticate it first. Same download, one major version later, and I think this is a better change.